Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and I'll show you how to add or remove the home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. For example, I will go in with this one to show you how you can do that. And now just hold for a while on your screen, and here you will see the widget settings. And right now we got here all the available widgets what we can add to your screen. For example, I'll go in with the clock and just drag it to the section where you want to add your widget. If you want, you can also change the size of the widget by this way. And for example, we can add one more widget here by the same way, just press for a while. And for example, we'll go in with the Gmail one, so you can put it there. Okay, one more time. Okay, we'll choose the calendar, for example, and just tap it there. You can also change the name of this widget like a clock by this way. You can move the widget between the screens, and also you can remove the widget. Just press for a while and drag it here to the remove icon. Also you can remove the clock one too by the same way. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.